Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by readying hardware and software. Charge the JBL Vibe 100 TWS to at least 50% and power them off, then open the JBL Headphones app on your phone. Once done, enable Bluetooth in your phone settings so the app can detect devices. Make sure the app has any required permissions, like location, because Android needs that to scan for Bluetooth. Now press and hold the earbuds touch areas to enter pairing mode so the app can find them. You should see JBL Vibe 100 TWS listed in the app's device scan. Tap it to start pairing. The app will prompt you to confirm pairing and may request additional permissions. Accept these so the connection completes. If the app checks firmware, allow it to verify and install updates. This ensures stable features and bug fixes. During this step, keep the earbuds inside the case and close to the phone, because distance or interference can interrupt the exchange of settings. After pairing, confirm audio routing. Play a sound to check left and right channels, then open EQ and control settings to personalize sound and touch behavior. If the app won't connect, restart your phone and toggle Bluetooth. Sometimes a simple reboot clears conflicts. As a last resort, factory reset the Vibe 100 TWS by holding the pairing controls for 10 seconds until LEDs flash. Then rerun the app pairing flow. That resolves most stubborn pairing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.